guys, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Dollar Tree haul. Look at all that stuff. I cannot wait to show you. There's things in here that are so new to me. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a little while. I was hoping to get to one, oh, that had glass in it, in California, but I wasn't able to. But that's okay. Let me go ahead. I'll just get the glass out now. We've got these little hurricane vases. So pretty. I love them so much. I was going to say, maybe these are the ones that I have that are similar, but I can't wait. I want to use the items that I got from Daiso. I have a DIY that I want to do, and I will get that done probably tomorrow morning. So we've got that. I got 2 of them. Okay, this is what I think is cool. I haven't seen anybody else haul these, but I haven't been looking at hauls, so forgive me. I got 2. It's a DIY form wreath, and this one I think goes in here, yep, because they make a little ball. Well, I can't make it, but do you see that? They like open. How cool is this gonna be? So cool. That's the small one. And then this is the larger one. And so far, I'm not happy with it because since I got it home, it looks like it has come off the little spirals, but okay, here we go. They're gonna turn like this. So, very cool. What else did I get? Oh, this is kind of boring stuff unless you have purchased from me last month, because for my September class, I'm mailing out the stuff for the class, and I needed some bigger envelopes. So I got 4 of these. It comes with 6 to a packet. So I thought that was a pretty good price there. I already have a whole bunch, but I want to keep them stocked because I have had some of you guys buying the Make a Difference stamp set, so I'm sending out the dashboards to you. I have my grandson is here. My kids just bought a house today. They got the keys like 3 hours ago. So I have my grandsons this week. And so I bought some snacks. So I got these little popcorners. I know my older little one likes that. So what else? Oh, I've got a DIY that I'll be doing. So I picked up some leaves. I like these leaves. I do like the other ones, but I like these because it just seems a little more real to me. Guess what I found, you guys? Oh, I found one. I finally found one. So it looks like I'm twisting a little bit. Let me straighten you out here. Okay. I've got a couple of these orange mesh things. What else? There's one thing in here that I'm kind of saving. So, that huge face. I am so sorry because you guys just get to see everything as I lean forward. But I picked up some more magnets. I saw the smaller size. I have the larger size. And so then I have the smaller size as well. And let me show you. My pieces came out so pretty. So I'm getting ready to go on the Etsy shop. Getting a message from one of you beauties. So, hi Debbie. I'll just shout out to you. But I've got them. And then I put those magnets on there. And then if it's really heavy, I put the 2 magnets on the back. Doesn't that look like a little happy face? All right. Oh, and then this one. I love it. So pretty. But I'm going to be putting those in my Etsy shop, so I wanted to get some more of these magnets, and I wanted to show you the difference in the sizes. So you get 14 of these and 12 of these, and they are stacks of 2, so they're not this thick. I did not realize that. So just so you know, I bought 2 of the smaller ones and 1 of the larger ones. Okay. yes, my grandkids are going to be here this weekend or this week, but I did not buy this for them. I bought it for me. It's a Stickertivity funny face. You guys, first of all, it would be fun for little ones because they have these blank faces that you could put stickers like that. You can make your own faces. See? Now let me show you the stickers. I can already tell you that it's only going to be this middle part that comes out. Look at how cute these stickers are. Aren't they so fun? They've got some great eyes and faces and smiles. I think they are super cool. So I'll be using some of them in my DIYs for sure. So I thought that was fun. What else do I have here? Oh, so I picked up some little candy discs, hard candies, right? I'm gonna be 50 this year, you guys. You keep wondering. Let's get this straight. There we go. I'm gonna be 50 this year, so I thought it'd be time to use hard candies, right? Is that when you start putting hard candies around your house, in your pocket, in your purse? Let me know. Not sure when I'm supposed to do that. All right. The other thing I got were these. I normally don't get like all the food products, but these are the little pork rinds, and it says sweet mild barbecue. And I have friends coming over tomorrow to do a little bit of stamping, and they are what are they called? The paleo, or you know, where you only eat meat stuff. So they'll eat this. And I guess these are the last two. I thought I bought a bunch of stuff, but I got the last two, and these are them. They're little eyeshadows. They are the colors that I use in a palette that I have, or they're at least close. You can see a little bit. So because I travel, I'm like, well, I don't have to travel with that big old palette when I typically use just these two colors. And so I grabbed these two colors. I actually use one other color, which is a little bit of white. And they had a white one there too, but I'm like, no, I'm just going to get the two, and this will work. So grabbed those. I don't know the beauty benefits. I don't know if it's Greenbrier. I don't see where it says that. So I got my sunglasses on. I should have my, let's see. I should have these glasses on so I could read it and see if it says Greenbrier anywhere. No, it says Color Squad Trademark Eyeshadow by Beauty Benefits. So there we go. I thought that was good. All right, beauties. Thank you so much for coming on my Dollar Tree haul with me, and hopefully I will be using. I think I'm going to do this one first. So I was going to do a wine bottle. So we'll see which one comes out. Is it going to be the Dollar Tree vase or the wine bottle or both? But we'll definitely have those stickers, I think. All right. Have a wonderful day, and you keep falling, and it's all right. I will talk to you later. Please make sure you give me a big thumbs up so I know that you like the Dollar Tree hauls. And also, if you could subscribe, if you're not already, I would love to welcome you to my channel. All right. Have a great day.